My 2025 pick for vinyl windows goes to Anlin Windows and Doors based out of California. Now you say, Jeff, why would you pick Anlin Windows and Doors? You've got Pella windows, you've got NT windows, you've got Simonton windows, you've got a lot of window brands that are vinyl. Well, here's why. I think that Anlin does the best job of giving you the absolute most benefits of all the windows that I can sell you when it comes to vinyl. One of the things that they do, as you can see here, look at these beautiful colors, right? They have over a dozen colors to pick from. They have the ever so popular black interior, black exterior, but they also have two-tone colors where you can get a different color on the inside than you can the outside. They use, of course, cardinal glass, which we all know cardinal glass is the best glass in the industry. But even more than that, there's a few things I want to point out about their vinyl window that I really think are unique and special. Number one is that they actually have a foam-filled cavity on their vinyl window, which means that this is a very energy-efficient, high-performance, high-quality window. Another thing I like about them too is the offset glass. Offset glass is where you have a different thickness of glass on the inside pane than you do on the outside pane. As you know, offset glass reduces the amount of sound transfer from the inside to the outside. Most window companies, that would be an upgrade. With the Anlin Delmar series, that's going to be a standard offering. You can get up to more than 50% in most cases of a sound reduction between double pane windows made by competitors and the window made by Anlin. Also, what I like too is right here in the meeting rail where you have reinforcement, because this is vinyl and we know vinyl is not as strong as aluminum or fiberglass or some other products. The heavy weight of this extra thick glass on top could cause this to start to do this, which is what we call a happy window or a smiling window, but not with Anlin. Anlin actually puts a composite reinforcement, as you can see in this image. Also, I like the fact that they have this watershed technology on their screens, which means that when it's raining, the water sheds off so you can see out of your window better, but also helps prevent the bacteria and mildew and mold from growing on screens, which means that the screen's gonna look better and look cleaner and last longer, right? In Houston, we get a lot of rain, so a lot of times you see screens, they start getting this green sort of texture on them, and yuck, I do not like that. Also, I like that they have the NEAT coating, N-E-A-T, which is a coating that's applied to the glass on the exterior, which helps the dirt not stick to the window, which means that your window's gonna stay cleaner longer. And when you do go to clean it, it's gonna clean up much easier. It's sort of like having ceramic coating on a high performance car, which helps keep the car cleaner and looking better for a longer period of time. I also love that this brand offers a double lifetime warranty. So you say, Jeff, what is that? In other words, instead of a lifetime warranty like a lot of brands have, what they mean is this is transferable to the next homeowner. They get the same warranty as the original homeowner. That's a big selling feature when you go to list your home for sale. It's not just double pane windows, it's great double pane windows with a great warranty. Their warranty actually includes accidental glass breakage replacement. In other words, if you get your kid a baseball for Christmas and they break this window, Anlin will replace that due to an accidental breakage absolutely free, including the labor. That's really pretty cool. So I like this brand because it's a high quality performance product, comes in a lot of different choices, a lot of different shapes and sizes. I haven't seen a home yet that we couldn't use this product in, and it's got the best warranty of any window company that I sell or represent or even know of. So I hope this has been helpful. I hope you've really enjoyed listening to me talk about my favorite top 2025 vinyl pick window. If I can help you find someone near you that sells this window, check out my website, thewindowexperts.com. I have a big, long list of great window companies all over the country. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. We'll talk to you again real soon.